Are you looking for a trusted supplier of cash crops across Nigeria? Then look no further. Mbuldawa and Sons Limited has you covered. At Mbuldawa and Sons, we specialize in the nationwide supply of all kinds of cash crops. Beans, maize, rice, groundnuts, soya beans, and many more. We deliver fast, reliable, and on time anywhere in Nigeria. You can find us at our major branches: Bodija Market, Oyo State; Sango Ota, Ogun State; and across Lagos. Whether you're a wholesaler, retailer, or exporter, Mbuldawa and Sons Limited is your #1 plug for quality and trust. Call us today on 0814-406-5534. 0814-406-5534. Mbuldawa and Sons Limited, your reliable partner in cash crop supply.